testing whether Y62 can do a burnout with the full drive fuse pull on its own.
Really, this should be pretty easy. Apply a little bit of brake, just enough to lock the front wheels and enough power on the throttle to get the back to spin. Once it breaks that sort of threshold, it lights up, smokes the joint out, and things go mad.
To be honest, I'm getting light. To be honest, it was pretty hard. It kind of started but wouldn't keep going. So I'm going to pull the key fob out, leave it outside, let it sit for 10 minutes, put the B drive in, and we'll give it another go. So I just fitted the B drive to the Y62. Personally, I think it's way too easy to install because it took about 30 seconds. I can see like teenagers borrowing their parents' car and just whacking it in for the night and then bringing it home and pulling it out. Anyway, let's see if we can make it do a burnout. Again, because I left the key fob 20 metres away. To get it out of the gravel.
Finding it really hard to do a burnout in a Y62 Patrol, which is extremely frustrating. There is so much power in there and I just can't get it to spin the wheels. It's some sort of self-preservation mode that the Y62 has. We've changed to an S-Drive throttle controller. We've put liquid on the tyres, tyre shine. I don't know what it is about this thing, we just can't get it to light up.
Far out, it's hard to do a burnout in a Y62. Maybe I'm just not trying enough. I'm going to press some buttons.
So we tried everything. We pulled the full drive fuse and the associated relay. We tried it in high, low, locker switch on, off, sand mode, road mode, like you name it. We like just pressed every button that we could to try and get this thing to light up. There's just some inbuilt thing that Nissan have done between the brake and accelerator that won't let the thing do skids. We tried the rollback neutral drive, no go. Next we're trying the try to go on a bit of a circle as if we can get some speed up, turn, throttle, brake, burnout. No.
Not going to happen. You just cannot get a Y62 to do a burnout. It's very, very disappointing. Anyone else want to have a go?
Yeah, I will.
You got traction off. You're in sand mode.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, Charlie didn't even think about answering that. It
cheating.
just came out instantly. So Charlie is from Tough 62. He's been around these cars. He's owned 2 Y62s. He knows the vehicle. Let's see what he can do.
That's cheating. All right.
Too smart for own good.
Oh,
Don't roll forward a little bit.
yeah. Come into the dirt a bit.
What did you just put in normal mode? Is he put in something else?
Oh no, I've disabled all that. You come a little bit further forward, you'll be in the dirt maybe. Bit more. Oh, maybe.
Wow, I never thought I could ever say this. No.
You've ashamed your heritage.
It's like a bucking bronco.
Go like 1 meter forward. Give that a go. Just doesn't want to go.
Do the old guard lift.
Alright, guard lift.
Ow!
I think it's got locker on. Hang on.
No, locker's off. Well, hang on.
Nah, all that's disabled, I think.
So your locker should...
Nothing works. Like, it's all disabled. It should just spin like the way it wants to spin.
Oh, am I gonna make a move?
Oh,
Thanks for pizza.
no worries. Alright.
Yeah, the same and drive.
Navara does a better burnout. Oh! It wanted to.
This is getting really quite miserable
So let
as
it
a
roll a
diehard
meter
Y62 owner.
Throttle and then
We
go.
smoked it up just minutes before in my Navara with half a motor, and we can't even get
Hates
this
it.
patrol to do a pathetic burnout at best. It's like killing me.
If you had heaps of room, you might be able to do some doughies. I need a bit more though. I'm getting dizzy. the brakes are too good. Retiring?
Is there a fuse to disconnect the rear brakes?
Not a fuse. You've got to put a clamp on the front or something, or on the. Oh, defeated. Two of us.
Okay, we pretty much gave up on this night. Went back another day, going to put the car away in the container, and we worked out that if you basically drive it up to a container or a wall, then you've got half a chance.